Which booth do you think is going to attract the most kids this year?
I really think that it's going to be the face painting for the little kids.
What I need to do, help me serve.
So Esther, how's your booth going?
It's actually going pretty good. This is the first time Student Council is ever having a booth, and it's a real honor.
Mrs. Haddon, how do you think this booth is working?
Oh, I think it's working great. We've had a lot of people walking in a lot of circles and giving away a lot of tasty cakes and cookies.
How was the ride?
Crazy.
It was awesome.
What's your favorite booth?
Miss Gabor's booth, because she's the best teacher ever.
Yeah, it must be done in love. Must be done in love. Hey!
So Mr. Neidiger, tell me, how is the Harvest Festival doing so far?
It's going great. We got a lot of people coming, especially last hour. It's crazy busy right now. Lots of kids having fun, getting candy, getting sugared up.
Do you have anything else to say that you would like to encourage people to watch the football games, or to encourage your team, like just originally?
Sure, yeah. We got a home game in 2 weeks. Season's almost over. So far, we haven't lost a game, so come out and cheer your boys on to victory.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Neidiger, for your time.
Hi, this is Gia here interviewing and Savannah interviewing Mr. Stovall, the principal. Okay, I have a question for you. How do you think this fundraiser is going?
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Then the fundraiser is going fantastic, because it's all about you having fun, right? Good.
Okay, another question. Have you done face painting yet and washed it off?
No, I have not, but are you assuming I should?
Yes.
Would that make me look better? Is that what you're saying? Yeah. All right, then maybe I'll do face painting then.
Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Stovall.
You are welcome.